Oetiker is a global provider of high-quality connecting solutions for vehicles and industrial applications. This video is intended to explain the basic installation concepts for Oetiker multi-crimp rings. Oetiker multi-crimp ring assembly is a permanent sealing and fastening solution for engineered assemblies, widely adopted for sealing of hoses and boots on rotating shafts. Crimp rings, or MCRs, available from 5 mm to over 100 mm, are closed by uniformly swaging to the required diameter on the assembly, resulting in a permanent tamper-proof connection with no protrusions for a professional-looking finish. Two-jaw die segments are specifically designed to close the outer diameter of an MCR to a defined size. Eight-jaw die segments are designed to achieve the maximum allowable diameter reduction range of MCRs while maintaining perfect circularity. A wide range of MCR designs and materials are available to suit numerous applications. Oetiker installation tools. Hand installation pincers, or HIPs, and cordless battery crimpers, or CCs, are both available in two-jaw configuration for smaller diameter MCRs used in lower volume assembly, field installation, or service repair work. For higher volume assembly and larger rings, typically assembled in factory environments, we offer stationary swaging tools, or compact dies which are mounted in third-party presses. Our ELS is a turnkey hydraulic power system complete with PLC control and data monitoring. Multi-crimp rings are intended as non-removable, tamper-resistant connections. For more information or videos on Oetiker products, please visit www.oetiker.com.